Sir, preparation is going on and we are doing lot of efforts we are putting in. But sir, how to memorize? But whatever we are reading, we are not able to remember so much. Sir, it is so lengthy syllabus, right? So how should we memorize? Can you tell me some hacks so that we can actually make it easy for us to memorize everything? And this is what the question many students continuously ask through WhatsApp messages. Thought I'll answer. And this answer will be given in just 1 or 2 minutes max. But if you implement it, you will forget the habit of forgetting. You'll remember everything and in a very natural way. I'm not going to give certain codes, nor I'm going to give any tricks. One very natural habit of a human being which I'll be sharing with you, and that will really make your memory easy for remembering the whole syllabus. So let's start. First thing, when I was a student, I'll tell you my story first. When I was a student, because of vision, I cannot read so much for long time. So what I was to do is, I was to read little, but I was to revise it in my mind more. So what I was doing, I was reading little, but I was revising in my mind more. So my reading time, that means what I was to watch on my book or on my phone screen for reading was less, but what I was recollecting in my brain was more. And actually this helped me because in 10th, in inter, in CMA, in CA, or in national eligibility test examinations or any exams from IIM or IIT, whatever I cleared, I never faced this problem that I know something but I am not able to recollect. I know something but I forgot. I know something but as of now I am not able to get it. Because what I was doing, I was reading little and revising it my mind in my mind more. And this habit really works for everybody. I'll tell you why. Think about, you are going to the exam hall. Before the exam hall, you did first revision, second revision, third revision, 10th revision. And how you do revision commonly? Because you read and you refer books, you revise by turning the pages on a continuous basis. And how many times you were able to turn the page and read the thing again and again, you feel that many times you revised. But you actually made a habit to your brain that when you see the pages, you will be able to recollect the concept. But exactly when you go to the exam hall, you don't have the pages to just to go through. You have your mind, your memory, your thoughts, your ideas, your intellect. And from that, the answers should come out. Especially when you see some case study type of questions also, there again your analytical skills matters a lot. And all that can happen if you are able to remember things faster, analyze things faster. And that can work only when if you are able to revise in your mind, or in correct words I'll tell you, if you make the habit of revising things in the mind, because ultimately it is the mind which will store the information. It is ultimately that mind which has to actually give the output in the examination so that your hands can put it on paper. So that's why whatever type of revision you do, whatever type of reading you do, right, whether it is through books, screens, videos, just pause it for some time and then close your eyes, recollect all the thoughts. And this helps you in another way also. How much clear you are about your topic after reading or after listening, you'll immediately know, because if you try to recollect in your brain, if it is fully clear, then great. If no, there is some confusion, then you can read it again or listen to the video again, something like that you can do. So that's why, to understand your clarity, to revise, represent in the examination and quickly get the answers in the examination, this revision in the mind as a process really helps a lot, right? And one finally important thing which I'll share with you, that when you practice accounting, you have to recollect very less concepts. It takes actually less time to revise in mind compared to doing it on paper. And during your preparation and during your revision, if you implement this habit of revising in mind, you will see miracles in your preparation. You will not forget that last moment stress, tension, anxiety, that I may be forgetting the things, I may not remember the things. All that will go away because you know that I have the subject in my mind, not in the papers which I turned. Second important thing, when you actually do this habit, you become more and more confident from time to time. And how can you test that you did it correctly? For that, whenever you get up in the morning, just try to think about some chapter, some topic, and just recollect everything. When you go to sleep, try to recollect something. So, randomly, when you do such things, you will become awesome in your preparation, and nothing can beat you. Nobody can stop you from becoming successful. एंड अरे लास्ट लास्ट बोलते बहुत कुछ बोल दिया, ठीक है? तो विल पुट एन एंड टू दिस वीडियो, और आप मस्त पढ़ाई करो एंड डेफिनेटली विल बिकम सक्सेसफुल. स्टे कनेक्टेड. बाय एवरीबॉडी.